For a few of you, I've not been able to open your Google site. I want to show you the settings to use, and I want to show you a couple of other things. As you're adding these pages across here, that is just done by going in and selecting page, and then add, and then you put the title in. So I put in these different pages here. In order to put the links on our home page, I just went to Insert. So I'm on the home page. I went to Insert, and I just selected this one here with the 4 tiles, since we have 4 pages that we're putting into ours. Selected that, and it put the empty boxes over here. In order to get this image, I just created this image in PowerPoint. So I took a picture and I put a little text box under it, and then I saved that as an image, which is fairly easy to do. Here I am in PowerPoint. I brought in an image. I put in this text box. If you select all of it and you right click, you can just do Save as Picture. That'll save it to your pictures. Then when you come into one of your boxes here, you double click and you can upload that image that you just saved. At this point, it doesn't link to the subpage over here. In order to get it to link to that subpage, you want to click on it again. You can do Insert, and you can select the page you want it to link to. So now I would want to review my changes and publish, and then after I publish those, I want to view the published site. That makes that link now active. Now when I'm editing, it's not, so I have to view as the published site. That also brings me to one of the issues that we're having. If you're in this site where you're editing and you copy this and it says edit on the end of this site and you put it in the Dropbox, I cannot open that. What you have to do is come over here to publish and do view published site, then it takes you to the correct address. If I was in conservation, I can directly go to that conservation site, or you can take me to your home site and I can click on the other links. But it can't say edit or I cannot get into it. When you do publish it, please make sure that your settings are selected so that there is public access. And of course, you can go into each one of your sites. You can change the banner, you can further add more subheadings. If this was my biology page and I wanted to do anatomy on one, physiology on the other, I could have different pages for each one of these. Now I also want to show you on the instructions for your project. There is a tips and instruction website. So this is on item 3 of the overall instructions for your website. There are some different links here. But what I wanted to point your attention to is the keywords, because each week it's been asking you to include terminology that we've used for that particular topic, bold-faced it, and it says here that you need to link out the definition for that keyword to Wikipedia, or if you can't find it on Wikipedia, link it out to a credible site. Wanted to make sure that that was clear, that those keywords need to link out, because I haven't seen a lot of the linking out so far. So here I'm going to put in a definition and link it to Wikipedia. So I just created a text box by doing an insert over here and a text box. So insert text box, put the text box in. When I got to the word habitat fragmentation, I boldface that, so just highlight boldface. And then now that it's boldface, I'm going to put in the link. So I just do insert link, and I typed in the link for this definition on Wikipedia and hit apply. And then of course I would have to publish any changes that I make. How do you find some of those definitions easily on Wikipedia? Probably the easiest way is to go in and say I want a definition and I want it to be from Wikipedia. Here's my definition from Wikipedia. If I click here back to definition, copy that web address and put it as my link.